Welcome to today's episode, where we'll be diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. I'm your host, AI Titans, and today we'll be exploring the groundbreaking GPT-5, the latest language model from OpenAI that's set to revolutionize communication, creativity, and efficiency across industries. So, buckle up and get ready to discover how this cutting-edge AI technology is poised to change the world as we know it, forever. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, have led to the development of increasingly sophisticated language models. One such model is GPT-5, the latest iteration in the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT, series by OpenAI. Building on the success of its predecessors, GPT-5 is poised to revolutionize various industries and change the world as we know it. In this article, we will explore the key features of GPT-5, its potential applications, and the implications of its widespread adoption. Enhanced language understanding and generation. GPT-5 boasts significant improvements in natural language understanding and generation. With a larger training dataset and more advanced algorithms, GPT-5 can comprehend complex language patterns, idiomatic expressions, and contextual nuances. This enables the model to generate human-like responses, making it an invaluable tool for a wide range of applications, from customer support to content creation. Multilingual capabilities. One of the most notable features of GPT-5 is its ability to understand and generate text in multiple languages. This multilingual capability allows businesses and organizations to cater to a global audience, breaking down language barriers and fostering better communication across cultures. Real-time translation. Building on its multilingual capabilities, GPT-5 can provide real-time translation services. This feature has the potential to revolutionize industries such as tourism, international business, and diplomacy, making communication seamless and efficient. Enhanced creativity. GPT-5's advanced algorithms enable it to generate creative content, such as poetry, stories, and even music. This can be a game-changer for the creative industries, as AI-generated content can supplement human creativity and provide new perspectives. Personalized learning and tutoring. GPT-5 can be used to develop personalized learning experiences, adapting to individual learning styles and providing tailored feedback. This can revolutionize education, making it more accessible and effective for learners worldwide. Automation of routine tasks. GPT-5 can automate various routine tasks, such as data entry, report generation, and email drafting. This can increase productivity and efficiency in the workplace, allowing employees to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. Ethical considerations and responsible AI. As GPT-5 becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it is crucial to address the ethical implications of its widespread use. OpenAI is committed to developing responsible AI, ensuring that GPT-5 is used for the betterment of society and minimizing potential harm. Conclusion. GPT-5 has the potential to change the world in numerous ways, from enhancing communication and creativity to revolutionizing education and automating routine tasks. As we embrace this powerful AI technology, it is essential to consider its ethical implications and strive for responsible AI development and deployment. With GPT-5, the possibilities are endless, and the world as we know it may be forever changed. And that wraps up our deep dive into the incredible GPT-5. We hope you enjoyed learning about this game-changing AI technology and its potential to transform industries, from enhancing global communication to automating routine tasks. As we continue to embrace the power of artificial intelligence, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and strive for responsible AI development and deployment. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on the latest innovations and breakthroughs. I'm AI Titans, and I'll see you in the next episode.